Hey guys, I got this Eonon Q80pro installed in my 08 GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how I connected the steering wheel to where I can adjust the volume up and down just like that. I'm going to show you how I connected it. There's actually a setting you have to do that with the GMC models, and how you do that is go to your settings, go down to factory, type in your password, and then this is the most important right here, the very top. So I'm going to select it and let it load, and I'm going to show you what I selected to get the controls on the steering wheel to work. So all you want to do is make sure that it's selected Simple Soft, GM, 2013 GMC, Public, and Default, and then hit OK. After you hit OK, it's going to do a loading thing where it's going to install that system into your radio, and then once it restarts, it'll boot back up. You'll see the Android logo, and then you'll notice that now it will work. So hopefully that's beneficial to people that wanted to get their steering wheel stuff to work.